This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Lynn. Beautifully maintained and updated ranch-style home. Come and relax by the pool on the brand new deck and enjoy the peacefulness of Gloucester. Home features open floor plan, large corner pantry, mudroom, deep jetted bathtub, large walk-in closet in each bedroom, primary bedroom with double walk-in closets. Lots of beautiful trails for hunting, riding and exploring. Backyard fenced in with gate leading to trails. Minutes from Main Street shopping and restaurants. For more information, review the details below or contact Lynn at 757-651-6015.